welcome. I'm going to show us two ways that we can remove the 30% tax. This is 30%. Sorry. How we can remove the 30% tax from our Amazon KDP account. So please, I want you to listen and watch before you implement, okay? So if my voice is not all that audible, increase the volume of your device. Increase the volume of your device. Let me make sure that the volume of this device is okay. Okay, so the volume of this gadget is okay, because sometimes most people complain that the volume is not high. So there are two ways you can do this. The first one is by using your Nigerian national identification number, that is your NIN. Let me remove this Nigerian, okay? Is by using your national identification number NIN, and the second one is calling IRS for what is known as EIN number. So you can use your EIN number to remove the tax. You can also use your national identification number to remove your 30% tax from the Amazon KDP account. Now, the second one, which is calling IRS for the EIN video, will be in the video 2, where I mention how to get your EIN. And also I must tell you that once you get your EIN, once you get your EIN number, allow it to stay for maybe let's say 14 days before you use it on your Amazon KDP account, before you update it on your KDP account, because I didn't say that in the second video, okay? So please, it's very, very important why you must have watched this video. For those of us who are new, okay, let me underline this, that if you are using the method 2, after you must have called the IRS and then you have gotten your EIN number, allow that EIN to stay for 14 days for it to be validated. You understand? For it to be validated before you can update it on your KDP account. Now, the first method is the first one we are going to make use of right now, by using your national identification number. Now, what is just the difference? Now, the difference is this: in number 2, which is the EIN number, if you are on a site that requires that you must pay tax before you use it, you can use your EIN number. For some of us who are under CPA, you understand, click per action, affiliate marketing, you understand what I mean. There are some sites that requires an EIN number, so you can use your EIN number. Now on Amazon as well, you can also use your EIN number, or you can use your national identification number even as a Nigerian to remove your tax, 30% tax. So without wasting much of our time, let us go to our Amazon KDP account and see how we can do this. Remember guys, remember what I said, that if you are using the option 2, after you must have gotten this EIN number, allow it to stay for 14 days for it to be validated before you update your Amazon KDP account. And also, if you're using the method 2, make sure that the name you are supplying for the IRS is also the same name. Make sure, because some of us don't listen. Make sure the name you give to IRS is the same name on your KDP account. Some of us who are fond of changing name, you have one name in your bank account, it is different from the name that is on your passport. So the name that you're going to use, that you're going to give to the IRS officer, make sure it is the name on your Amazon KDP account. If the name on your Amazon KDP account is Kelechi Olusegun Ahmed, make sure that is the name that you will use in opening your KDP account. All right, that is if you're using the option number 2. If your name on your KDP account is Kelechi Ahmed, for example, If the name on your KDP account is Kelechi Ahmed, for example, and then the name on your ID card is Kelechi Olusegun Ahmed, and that is what you supply to the IEM to the IRS officer, and then your EIN is given to you. After 14 days, when you now validate it on your KDP account, it will not work because the name does not tally. Please watch this and listen to it over and over again. So make sure that the name you are giving to the IRS officer is the name on your KDP account. I didn't say this in the video 2, so that's why I'm saying it here, so that if you are making use of the option number 2, you can adhere to all these instructions. You can adhere to all these instructions. So all these things I'm saying now is for method 2. So if you are using method 1, I'm going to show you how to just use your national identification number as a Nigerian, and then open your and then remove the 30% from your bank account, from your Amazon KDP account. All right. If you're using number 2, calling IRS for EIN number, make sure you adhere to all these rules. After you get your EIN number, I'm saying this over and over again, allow it to stay for 14 days for it to be validated before you use it on your KDP account. And make sure that the name you are using on your KDP account is the same thing that you are going to supply to the IRS for them to give you your EIN number. So having said that, let us go to our KDP account. Okay, so this is our KDP account. As you can see, we have 0% tax withhold on this account. All right, we have 0% tax. That means this account right now, we are not paying any tax. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So this was completed on January 11, 2023. So I will show us how to find our way to this place. I think that's the best thing to do. All right, so let us move up. All right, let me go to Kindle Direct Publishing. So the site cannot be reached. That's network. All right, so it's asking me to sign in. All right, let me sign in again. Okay, so I've signed in right now. So once you get here, this is your dashboard. All right, this is your dashboard, guys. So once you get here, the first thing you need to do is to go to this place written account, your account. Let me show you. Go to this place written your account, click on it. All right, that is how you can edit and add and remove the 30%. Click on your account. All right, follow me gradually. All right, so we are going there right now. Hold on, guys, hold on. Okay, so we are going to that account. Here that I'm hovering my mouse, click on my account. All right, so once you click here, something may happen. What will happen is that Amazon may try to ask you to verify your account by sending you an OTP to your phone number. They want to verify that you're the one trying to tamper with this account. It is that sensitive. All right, so once you click there, it may happen. I've logged into this account right now. It may or may not happen. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is make sure that the phone number that you used in opening that account is available with you, and that you can receive your OTP. All right, so if they send you an OTP, just input that OTP, and then you'll find yourself here. Imagine, can you see what I'm saying? It did not ask because I've already logged in here today. If not, it would have asked me to click the option I want, either them to call me to send my OTP or to test me. So just click the test me option, and then the OTP will be sent to that number, you use in opening that account. So it will bring you here. So once it brings you here, this is not your issue. Look at where we are going to. Tax information. All right, tax information. As I said earlier, as you can see, this is 30% rate withholding on this account. All right, so what do you do? The first thing you do is that you go to what? View and provide tax information. That is where you go to. All right, remember what we are using is the method 1. You go to view and provide tax information. Please follow me carefully, guys. Follow me. All right, step by step. So once you go there, you click on view. All right, you click on it, view and provide tax information. It will open. So once it opens, it will bring out this interface, and the next thing you click on is what? Take interview. All right, you click on take interview. Here I'm hovering my mouse. All right, then you click on take interview. Please follow me gradually. Then once you click on take me interview, another interface will open. Now this is the interface where you are going to fill everything that is what needed. All right, everything that is needed. Now they are going to ask you a couple of questions, 1 or 2 questions. Within 3 minutes, if you follow it completely, you will get your 30% removed. Now the first question is, what is your tax classification? Please choose what? Individual. Choose individual. Let me circle it again. Choose individual. That is your tax classification. Choose individual. All right. Now the second one, are you a US citizen, US permanent resident, green card holder, or other US resident? You click on what? No. All right. You click on no. Are you acting as an intermediary agent or other person receiving payment on behalf of another person or as a flow through entity? You click on what? No. I hope you're following, guys. You click on no. So the first one is that, what is your tax classification? Individual. Are you a US citizen? You are not. Are you acting as intermediary? The answer is what? No. Now your full name. Now the full name here is the name on your Amazon KDP account. I blurred this area because of the sensitive information. The full name. Now this full name might be automatic when you get here because it is the name you've already used to open this account, so it might be automatic here. Now country of citizenship. All right, country of citizenship is Nigeria. Please don't make mistake. All right, is what? Nigeria. As you can see, country of citizenship is what? Nigeria. Then full name is the name on your Amazon KDP account, the name you used in opening it. Now once you have done this full name and your citizenship of country of citizenship, all right, so what do you do next? You come down, guys. Come down, please follow me. All right, follow me here. This is the important part. Now you have to edit this permanent address. Edit this permanent address. Remember that when you open your KDP account, all right, the address that was here, all right, the address that was here is your Nigerian address. So you need to just click on this edit. I'm not editing mine. All right, click on this edit. All right, here, click on this edit. Click on this edit. Now if you click on this edit, you are now going to put in a South African address, because now South African address sorry guys, South Africans, they are part of the country that Amazon waived 30% for. So what we are going to use here right now is our what? South African what? Address. All right, so this South African address is going to be our permanent address. Now remember, this is ticked same as permanent address, so we are going to change this. So all you need to do is just simply go to Google. All right, go to Google. I'm going to open a fresh page here. My mouse is hanging, my battery is down. All right, go to Google and type South African address. Okay, South African address. So Google will bring South African addresses for you. All right, so all you need to do is to click on this random addresses in South Africa. All right, just click on it. Once you click on it, it will open addresses. As you can see, these are all addresses. These are all addresses. As you can see, these are all addresses which you will use. All right, these are all addresses you can use. These are all addresses that you can use. I hope you're following, guys. These are all addresses. All of them, they are all address. So you just select. All right, so where they ask for street, you put street. You copy this street and put. Where they ask the city, you copy this city. Where they ask the state, province, area, you put this. Where they ask no phone number, don't copy phone number. Zip code, you just copy this zip code. All right, country South Africa. So now this is what I'm saying now. Now I'm going to this tax information. Let me just click edit. Let me click edit. If I click edit, you can see they are asking for this is apartment number. All right, you can see them. I'm not imputing, I'm not editing anything, I'm not imputing anything. So once you click on that edit, all right, and then you input all the details that was asked. This is the code and everything. It will be showing you. All right, it will be showing you. So all you need to do is to input all these details. Street, you come here and put the area that they said the street. All right, now the state, province, you come here, you put the state, province. The zip code, if they ask for that, you put the zip code. Okay, if they ask for the country already is what? South Africa. All right, the country is what? South Africa. All right, So the country is what? For here, the country, you put what? South Africa. They ask for the country, all right? You put what? South what? Africa. Are you following me, guys? So once you are done with all this, let me remove something. Okay, not to worry. Now, once you are done with all this, all you need to do is to click what? Done here. Once you've imputed everything correctly, all right, you click here what? Done. You click this done button. Automatically, the 30% will be removed. Okay, now we are not done. After you input all the details I told you now, after all the details which you have copied from this site, you've copied the house address, everything as the way they are asking, the country, South Africa, building number, country code, and all those things. You put it, you click on what? Done. All right, once you click on done, come down here. You see this place that they wrote tin value. All right, so all you need to click, what you need to click is I have a US a non-US tin. You tick this, not this. You tick what? This. So what am I saying here? Please don't get confused, guys. This video is as simple as possible. This here, you tick it. Then I have tin value. I have a non-US tin. Then tin value here, this place, all right? This place now, this box here, this place now, you put your NIN. Put your NIN number. Once you put your NIN number, all right, you do what? You come here and press what? Continue. You come here and press continue. That is here. You come down here. All right, come down here and click on what? Continue. Once you click on continue, it will bring out a page, all right, for you to sign. All right, it brings out a page for you to sign. All you need to do is to scroll down to that page. All right, scroll down, and then you just copy your full name. That is your full name as it is written here, and put there and click continue. That is it. And then your 30% will be removed what? Immediately. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So it is very important. So as you can see, you see here, if you click what? Click and continue. There is a page here that says sign and submit. There's a page here that says signs and submit. There's something that says signs and submit. So once you click here, it will bring out this page for you to sign and submit. So that signature and submit is just, the signature is your full name. You copy that your full name as it is on your Amazon KDP account here and put it, and then click on what? Submit, and the 30% will be what? Removed. I hope you find value in this content, guys, and then you practicalize it. All right, watch this video over and over before you proceed. Thank you.